everyone, my name is Rudra and Divekar. Today we are going to solve one question of folding and unfolding. So there are some rules in unfolding and unfolding. The first rule is we have to go from this side to this side, from backwards to front. So, and there is a rule that it is a cut part which is given here are the cut parts. So let's solve the question. This is the question and we have to find the which part will become after cutting this part. So let's see. The first, this is the question figure. This is the question figure which is given. This one. Then we will take the reverse of the pink which is given here. This one is the arrow which we will take its reverse. So it will go like this. So its reverse means it will be mirror reflection which will be right to left. So the answer will come this one. This one will be the question. This one will be the figure which will be get after the mirror reflection. Then again we will go from this side. We will go from this side to this side. So first we completed this both figure. Now the which answer we got, we will be it with the first figure. So it is coming like this. So its reverse will be like this. So it will be the water reflection which will be from down to upside. So after taking the mirror reflection, this will be our answer, and it is the whole figure which we got, and it will be in option number B. This will be the answer which is in option number B. We can see it. Yes, in B it is there. So the correct answer will be B. Bye bye.